Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Thomas with Club and Resort Business, and we have an unboxing today from PlaneAire. Listen, the pandemic is, fingers crossed, hopefully behind us, at least the worst of it. But there's still germs out there. COVID's still out there. The flu, that's never going away. Common cold. All of these things here by PlaneAire are going to help keep your members, your staff, nice and clean, nice and safe. Let me tell you what we got here. This is for the kids. Yipes. Hand and face cleaning wipes. They're gonna be at the club. They're gonna be all messy. Keep these in your pool bag. Keep these, ladies, at the purse. Keep them in the pro shop. Sell them. Provide these to your members and your guests. These are all travel size. Nice little handy dandy packs right here. PlaneAire wipes. Wipe down the surface, whatever you're going to be doing, whether you're going to be eating, whether you're going to be put them in the golf carts, right? Put one of these in the golf cart. You're cleaning the golf carts, but your golfers might want to know, hey, this is really clean. Have a wipe in there. They can wipe down for themselves. Wipe down the seats, steering wheel, of course. Perfect. We have right here hand sanitizer and a surface cleaner and air mist. All of these things. These are all vegan. It's a vegan, moisturizing, and nourishing, germ-killing experience. And they're all plant-based. Good for the environment, good for you. Check them out at PlaneAire.com, PlaneAire.com, PlaneAire.com. Before you go to PlaneAire.com, do me a favor, hit the like button below and subscribe. Well, you know, we have other items, whether it's going to be something to keep you safe, something you can smack around the golf club, something you can put in your face, feed your face, keep your members safe. Take care and stay well. Have a great day.